who raised his voice, and he had given a referendum and a memorandum to the then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, asking him to raise the limit from 6 lakhs to 15 lakhs. The 4 lakhs to 15 lakhs. It was in 2009. Even our president was telling about having this conference in Chennai. He was saying that Tamil Nadu is a place where social justice has been flourishing. In fact, Tamil Nadu is the place where the seeds of social justice has been sown. It is not that the place you have selected is right, but the leader whom you have called for this particular function is the right leader to be in this place. And the next thing, you all know we have got the 27% reservation for OBCs in education and employment. Unfortunately, the medical college seats surrendered by each and every state. Every state which has a number of medical colleges, they surrender a particular number of seats to the central pool. The idea behind that is, certain states may not have medical colleges. So students in that state have to study in government colleges. So the idea was brought in that each state should give 15% of the seats to the central pool. This was given and the admissions were happening. The SC/ST reservation was very well there. But the OBC reservation was not there in the medical admissions, MBBS admissions, in the central pool. Though few voices were raised, particularly from DK and people like respected Karnanidhi sir, the real momentum came when our leader had given a representation to the then Minister for Family and Health Affairs, asking him to implement the 27%. Then it was taken ahead with to the court, and now it has been implemented. It is not for the cause of the people in Tamil Nadu. It is for the cause of people all over India. And I am sure that you all know that the concept of scholarship, the post-matric scholarship. The post-matric scholarship is not that one that had been introduced or that had come into force after the independence of India. It was well before the independence of India that the revolutionary leader, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, had fought for it and brought the post-matric scholarship. My leader always says that there is a big politics in the usage of the terminology. You say the backward class people as OBC, other backward class. When you call something as other, then there has to be something. If you say there is one thing, then there has to be something. When you say OBC, then whose BC is the question. That is very clearly mentioned by Dr. Ambedkar. The BC is the inclusive communities, OBCs and SC and ST. So the need of the hour, even yesterday we had a big function. Every year we felicitate people who have been working for the cause of social justice. We don't see the identity or any other thing that is attached to them externally. We just see their work. That way we select each and every year we select 7 people for different awards and we give them their awards. Yesterday, the declaration or the proclamation made by our leader, it is very significant today. And even for this function, when George Fernandez was speaking, he said that he had postponed his visit to Dubai. I'll tell you one thing for sure. Given him a choice, whether it is going to be an OBC association meeting for the cause of social justice or any other meeting, he would choose the meeting for OBC association and social justice. That is the way he's sitting here. And very categorically, in fact, the purpose of this meeting today, he had made the declaration or proclamation yesterday. The need of the hour is people like us sitting over here. We know what is social justice, we know what is OBC. The very hard truth is, people down north, they know only the terminology OBC that is connected with backward class communities. But here in Tamil Nadu, you have other terminologies. You have a terminology called MPC. And it is also a very hard truth that people who are in MPC community, they do not know the meaning of OBCs, and they even fail to understand or recognize or realize they also fall under the OBCs. So the real need of the hour is, while you are fighting for all the causes to establish the social justice in your particular arena or in your particular segment, you have a larger task. The larger task is taking the point of social justice and bringing it in light to all people all over India, and I hope you will be doing that. When you do that, then we do not have any reason or we do not have anything to ask for. All things will come to us. That way I wish this association all success. My humble thanks for this association.